Guiding a school is a heavy responsibility. Leadership teams are expected to ensure strong academic outcomes, maintain consistency across dozens of classrooms, and effectively prepare every student for their future. But doing all of that requires making critical decisions with a severe constraint: very limited real time visibility into what is actually happening during daily lessons. Most academic monitoring relies on periodic exams, general teacher feedback, and aggregated department reviews. Because those traditional reports lack student level detail and take weeks to compile, administrators are forced into a reactive cycle, managing the aftermath of student performance rather than actively shaping it. When data is delayed, learning gaps are spotted too late to correct efficiently. Significant variations in how well different sections grasp the exact same material can go completely unnoticed until final exams are graded. By the time a school intervenes, a student's performance has already visibly declined. To fix this, schools need a unified academic view, bringing all that fragmented data into focus. Waiting for a failed test to identify a systemic problem places an artificial limit on student potential and competency based learning. Ease to Learn is designed to meet that exact standard by creating a single connected ecosystem for classroom teaching, student progress, and assessment outcomes. Look at this dashboard visualization. School leaders can instantly pull up class-wise and section-wise performance data. Zooming into one specific bar graph reveals individual chapter understanding and cognitive level mastery based on Bloom's taxonomy, measuring higher order problem solving skills. Having access to this highly granular data changes the school's approach. You stop guessing what went wrong and know exactly how and where to intervene immediately. When administrators share this visibility with their staff, it naturally aligns academic delivery across different sections, resolving uneven learning outcomes. Setting standardized expectations provides a common framework for teachers while still leaving them the flexibility to execute lessons in their own style, with everyone operating on the same page. Leadership can spot downward trends early and guide students before their grades begin to drop. This diagram shows how EAS to Learn tackles the challenge of dual preparation. We start with a strong foundational school level pathway, which then smoothly branches off to provide targeted competitive exam preparation. This parallel track pinpoints specific learning gaps for competitive exams, meaning students receive the exact support they need without duplicating effort or overloading their schedules. By standardizing the basics and providing data-driven targeted support, schools can deploy smaller interventions that yield a highly outsized impact on student success. Implementing this level of insight doesn't require a massive logistical overhaul. The platform integrates smoothly into existing school systems with zero infrastructure changes. There are no timetable disruptions, and it creates zero additional administrative burden for the teaching staff. It also extends that clarity to parents, providing them with early objective signals of their child's progress, builds deep operational transparency and trust. When technical friction for staff drops and communication with parents improves, the direct results are higher student retention and a stronger overall reputation for the school. Traditional school management often circles around reviewing test results and ensuring broad compliance. But armed with continuous real-time data, the leadership role naturally expands to actively guiding academic strategy and supporting teaching quality. It aligns classroom instruction, student practice, parental monitoring, and administrative direction into one unified objective. Ease to Learn provides the structure schools need to build consistent, future-ready academic systems. By embracing continuous insight, school management evolves from standard administrative oversight into true academic leadership.